Introducing the 2024 Genesis G80. Enjoy effortless power and genuine premium style in this all-new G80. Pure, intuitive, and even more beautiful than before, it's the expression of everything a midsize luxury sedan should be. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, backup camera, rear AC, alarm, Bluetooth connection, stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, side airbag, power windows. Exhilarating performance and crisp modern luxury blend beautifully with midsize sedan convenience in this all-new G80. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.